Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with a Heart, and I'm back with a haul from Dollar Tree and Michael's. I did not buy a ton of stuff from Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree that trees by me, everything is a hot mess. In that store, everything is just everywhere. It's messy, and the craft area is just non-existent. It basically is like with the kid sticker stuff. So it's just a mess. I don't love shopping there. I did buy a few things that I wanted to share in case you guys were interested. I bought these. These are dimensional stickers. These are pretty cute. I think they would work really well. I mean, I've got to start scrapping and working on some of my children's books. So I like having some ready-made embellishments for that. And then I have a couple projects I want to do that are very girly, in which this will go really well, such as Girl Squad. I have this Girl Glam, old Glam Stack die cuts with a view paper pad. This would go great with. And I also have, of course, Emoji Love, which that would go. So these, of course, were all $1, right? So I loved all of those. So I did get that. I did buy some of this, which I think is a really, really good deal. This is a sparkle tool in black, and this was the spider web one. And then I'm regretting not buying the purple one, so I might go back and buy the purple tool. I just was debating, and then I saw Rosa Kelly did her Halloween in Wonderland and used the purple tool. Super cute. And I believe I have that paper back from back in the day. I know they re-released it, but I think I have it somewhere. So I did buy that. I did buy some shred, which I normally don't buy because I feel like I can. Yeah, it's just a pain in the butt to make this. But this is a cream and gold shred, which I thought was pretty cool. So I did get that. One more sticker that I forgot. This is like a girly sticker, but they're like shaker ones. You can make little things with that. I thought that was really cool. So I got that. And then I did buy a craft storage box because I'm going to be doing an embellishment box. But I think what I'm going to do with this is I think I'm interested in making my own box like MB Gray did, Mary Beth, and dropping this in the box. So dropping it in the box, I can do other embellishments on top, but I can do small embellishments in the bottom. I can do like a layered idea. So I don't know if that's going to work, but I'm going to give it a go. So that was $1. Okay, so then I went to Michael's, and Michael's, they had a bunch of stuff on sale. I wouldn't say it was pretty decent sale, but they had a bunch of stuff on sale. And then when I was in the store, they said if you spend $50, then you got an additional $20 off your purchase. So I saved, says I saved $45.30. So I got $20 off of my order today, plus everything, just about everything that I bought was on sale. So let me show you what I got. So I got this giant Halloween shred because I'm in the middle of a bunch of Halloween projects, including some Halloween Happy Mail that I'm going to be doing. So I thought that would be really great. And let me see how much that was if I can find out. So that ended up being $1.50, looks like. And then this was full price, but I did get, a discount on it. So it ended up being $2.50. I just liked that color. And then I did get these bags. I'm going to be doing a project with these bags. I saw Lala Creations 12 did embellishment bags. And so I'm going to be casing her idea with these bags. And, you can buy these bags all different places at a really good price. But these ended up being $1.25. And then their stamps and die. Actually, all their Halloween was 40% off. So I got this one. This is a stamp and die. Now it's kind of interesting because the die doesn't actually cut out the stamps. I just kind of noticed that, but it's fine because I really wanted it for this. So they were, with 40% off, they were $5.99, but because I had the $20 off, they ended up being $3.75. So I got that one. I got this one with the pumpkins and the pumpkin faces because I thought that could also be really, fall. And then I got this one which was great too. So they were really good price. And so this is considered Halloween, even though it's not at all Halloween. It says Recollections Halloween, and it's totally fall. So whatever, because all their stickers that were Recollections were 60% off, and they're smart, so they labeled those Halloween, so they were 40% off. So it was a whole other deal that they were working me on, I feel like. But they ended up being 94 cents. Let me see, that's not right. They ended up being Woodland Icons. Oh, I'm sorry. They ended up being, I don't know how much they ended up being. What are these called? I don't even know what these are called, but I think they were like, ended up being $1.88 or something like that. Then I got these ones. So these were originally the $4.99. So these were $2.19. And then these ones I think were super cute. So they ended up being pretty cheap, like 93 cents. I got these pumpkins. They're super dimensional. And those ended up being $1.50. And then these ones ended up being $2.19. And then I also got some ribbon. This ribbon was 50% off. So I got that one and this one because I just wanted some fall ribbon. And so that ribbon ended up being 94 cents. And then I did pick this up. They had the bones too, but I just am like, what do I do with the bones? I don't know. I had ideas what to do with this. So this has bats and spiders. It has a ton of them. And so this one ended up being, ended up being like $2.19. It was a pretty good deal. So I got a bunch of those. And then I also ended up buying these clothespins. They're Martha Stewart gold clothespins. Because I am doing some projects with that where I kind of need that. And so they ended up being $2.50. They were not on sale, but because I had the $20 off, they ended up being reduced. And then I got an exciting E6000. It just was in here. I have to clean it out anyways. And then this weird Scratch and Sniff crafting tape because I needed to get at least $50 to get the $20 off. And one of these products didn't count. I don't know. Some product I have didn't count. It was bizarre. It didn't count. The E6000 didn't count for some reason. I have no idea why. Because it's a everyday value or something crazy like that. So this was, I bought this thing so I can get over the 50 because then I got $20 off. So really basically it was free. So it just made sense. And that one was, $3.75. So I needed that amount to get me over the top. So that is my haul. I think it was a pretty decent haul. They had $5 hot buy paper. I've seen that paper. They had their 6x6s were $3, but I've seen that paper. So I just wasn't feeling it. So I just kind of focused on this round anyways on Halloween and fall stuff just to get my Halloween and fall crafting kind of on its way. And so that's it. Stay tuned. Lots of fall and Halloween stuff is coming. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy with Cricut with a Heart.